Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best altcoin to buy via Kraken. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're looking to pick altcoin on Kraken, here are some of the top options, plus while they might be smart choice for you. So starting with Solana. Solana is a high performing blockchain known for fast transaction speed and strong ecosystem growth. Kraken supports Solana very well, and also Polkadot is good for long-term exposure to interoperable blockchain, and also Cardano is a well-established proof-to-stake network with strong fundamentals. Fetch AI also offer a real-world use cases in autonomous agent and AI. You can also go with Uniswap, leading decentralized exchange token valuable for DFI exposure, and also Bonk. Bonk is a meme plus utility token on Solana chain listed on Kraken. So when you're choosing altcoin on Kraken, think about your strategy. Are you trading short terms or holding for the long puff? Pick coin that match your risk tolerance and go, and make sure to do your own research before investing. And that's it. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick crypto pick, and drop a comment telling me which altcoin you are watching right now. And that's it.